Okay, then this assignment here. Tell whether the two equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Okay, there's a way to do this. Y equals, example 1. Y equals negative 5/4 x plus 3. Y equals 4/5 x minus 8. Then write parallel, perpendicular, neither. Okay, make a wall. And then M, B, M, B. You don't care about the B's. Or the M's the same? Nope, so it can't be parallel. Now multiply the M's on a calculator. Do they multiply to -1? They do, so the answer is perpendicular. If they didn't multiply to -1, it'd be neither. Okay. Example 2. Y is equals 3/4 x plus 7. Y equals 3/4 x minus 3. Parallel, perpendicular, neither. Y is by itself, so you're going to know the M and the B right away. Ditch your B's, you're not focused on those. Are the M's the same? Yep, so they're parallel. Example 3. Y equals negative 4x plus 6. Y equals negative 1/4 x plus 2. I'm going to get a sucker on this one, okay? Okay. Again, the y's are by themselves. MB, MB. Are they the same M? Obviously not, so not parallel. Multiply them. Negative 4 times negative 1/4. Now somebody would get that and say they're perpendicular, but that's wrong. It has to be -1, so they're not perpendicular, it's neither. Example 4. Y equals 2x minus 7. Y equals 2x plus 5. MB, MB. Okay, M's are the same, so they're parallel. I don't care about the B's. Okay. Example 5. Y equals 5x minus 2. Y equals negative 1/5 x plus 7. MB, MB, ditch your B's. Parallel, perpendicular, neither. Okay, well they're obviously not parallel because they're not the same. Now multiply them. 5 times negative 1/5. Yep, -1, so they have to be perpendicular. By the way, you can also know that they're perpendicular by if they're flipped and one's positive, one's negative. It's always going to be a product of -1. If they're just flipped and one positive, one negative. But see up here, they're both negative, so that wasn't going to happen. Example 6. Y equals 3/4 x, or no, my bad. Y equals 7x minus 1. Y equals negative 5x plus 6. This is kind of a no-brainer. They're not the same. They can't be parallel. 7 times negative 5 is not -1. So neither. That one's kind of a giveaway. Now, last one. This one I want you to be with me. I'm not sure this happened. I think on the assignment the y's are always by themselves, but I want everybody to pay attention to what happens when they're not. Okay. Okay, so parallel, perpendicular, neither. Okay, that y's by itself, so I know what the m and the b are. I don't really care about the b, but it's plus 7 in case you're interested. Over here, you don't know the m and the b because the y is not by itself, so remember how to do that. Circle the y along with its coefficient. First off, that needs to be a positive, so plus, -4, -9. Then we add 4x, make a 0x over there and add 4x there. Remember, you can always put a 0 as a term. And then 3 times y, 0 plus 4 is 4x, and then minus 9, or plus -9. Now I divide everything by 3, and I go from there. 4 divided by 3 is a decimal, so 4/3 x minus 3. Now I know my m and my b, even though I don't care about the b. So parallel, 3/4 and 4/3 are not the same. Perpendicular, 3/4 times 4/3. That's 1. I need -1 or it's not perpendicular. So it's neither. But we don't know that until we isolate the y. Okay? Remember, put a dot. If it's minus, you got to go plus, and the outsides go to the opposite. Make a 0x, get that over, divide by 3, so forth.